In this tutorial, we will see that how you can download Black Myth Wukong in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, from your desktop, open Google and simply in this search bar, search for Steam. Search it, then you will be on this page here. Firstly, you have to install Steam to download Black Myth Wukong. So click on that install Steam. It will take you to this page here. If you again click on that, it will ask you to select location. Click save and it will start downloading here. After download, you can simply open it, choose language, next and simply install it. After installation, you have to open it, click on that search and you can search for Steam. So after installation, you have to open it and simply create account here. After creating account, you will see here this search bar on right top side. Simply search for Black Myth Wukong. Here it is, open it and simply scroll it down. Here it will show you the sum of additions to download. Please select any of the addition and click on add to cart. View my cart and after continue with this payment, you can open this library where you will find this Black Myth Wukong where you can simply play it. So that's how you can download Black Myth Wukong game in PC in just few steps.